Ramadan is difficult for them. Fasting is difficult for them. Difficult for who? For those whose ultimate goal is not taqwa. But those who fast in the month of Ramadan to attain taqwa, they enjoy the month of Ramadan. They enjoy fasting. They love it. Why? Because they know that they're not listening to their throat. They're not listening to their stomach. They're not fulfilling their desires. And not only that, they understand the maqsad of that. They're not listening to their eyes. They're not listening to their tongue. Their tongue wants to backbite. But they remember the words of the Prophet ﷺ. Fasting is all about self-awareness, self-consciousness, to be aware of Allah Jalla wa Ala. No one should be able to agitate you. No one should be able to get you angry. You should not be in that mode of anger. The Prophet ﷺ said, if you're fasting, if someone makes you angry, give a simple answer. Ana saim, I am fasting. Ana saim, I am fasting. Ana saim, I am fasting. So a person knows it's all about controlling your desires. So one who knows that it is all about controlling your desires, then he's enjoying this act of controlling his desires. When you're enjoying the act of controlling your eyes, controlling your ears, controlling your hands, your feet, your private parts, everything that leads you to a sinful act, you're controlling that, then you enjoy fasting so much that thirst is not a problem for you. Hunger is not a problem for you. You forget all about it. This is why Allah says, يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ بِكُمُ الْيُسْرَ وَلَا يُرِيدُ بِكُمُ الْعُسْرَ. Allah wants ease for you. He doesn't want difficult for you, as long as you understand the importance of taqwa. Taqwa. If your goal is taqwa, then you won't find it difficult. يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ بِكُمُ الْيُسْرَ وَلَا يُرِيدُ بِكُمُ الْعُسْرَ. Allah wants it easy. Allah wants to make ease for you. You know who moans about Ramadan? People who complain that it's difficult. I feel thirsty, I have to go to work, I've got so many other commitments. It is people who fast in the month of Ramadan without the intention of attaining taqwa. If your goal is not taqwa, then it will be difficult for you. But if your goal is taqwa, everything will be easy for you. You will enjoy the thirst and hunger.